Alright, I'm back out here today, and today we're going to be running irrigation to this field, getting it irrigating, laying all the pipe down, and putting a fire hydrant in over at the back corner. So, yeah, we ran irrigation all the way down to here, and yeah, it runs all the way up the hill, 2,500 feet almost of PVC. We ran it all the way down here so we can irrigate this. First, we have 3 sprinklers, 3 big water cannons, and we want to put 3 upright in this. And as you can see, the ditch is very cluttered. I don't know if you can see that. And so we need to clean it out. Have the good old backhoe way down there. And yeah, so we need to clean this out. Hopefully get this irrigation in before the grass gets too dry out here. And yeah, I think the first thing we do is you try to pull some of this dirt back out of the way so that I can just back over the ditch and dig it all out or clean it all out. Alright, as you can see here, this hydraulic's leaking pretty bad, but it's been leaking, it's been getting worse. But the sight gauge just says there's quite a bit in the tank, so I'm going to keep running it. And if it goes below that sight gauge, I'll keep it in mind. If it goes below that sight gauge, I'm going to stop, get more hydraulic fluid, and then we're going to have to replace this guy soon or fix it, or fix seals, so that'll probably be in another video. But anyways, the next thing we need to do, I'm going to try to back down this. I need to find the end of this pipe really quick. Alright, I'm back. I grabbed a shovel. Let's dig that ditch quick. Yeah, hopefully let's dig that ditch pretty quick and we can put the pipe in tonight. Alright, I got an excavator now, so I should be able to clean this out. Now, I can't go over the ditch with the excavator, so we're going to have to clean it out sideways. Kind of under a time limit here, and then we have to bury that ditch up there, and hopefully we'll put the pipe in next. So, let's do that real quick. Alright, so I cleaned it out the best we can, so now let's go over and bury that ditch over there. So let's go do that, and then hopefully we'll put the pipe in. Alright, so I got the excavator over here. Let's just go ahead and bury this all the way up. It's kind of a windy path. It'll take me a little bit, but I might switch buckets here in a little bit. I'm not sure, but anyways, let's do it. Yeah. Alright, so I basically just made a road all the way up and buried it. I'm finished burying it, and I'm not sure when we'll lay pipe in, but I'll see you guys then. Alright, so we're starting to lay pipe in, and yeah, so we're just going to start gluing it in. Start gluing uprights, and yeah, that would be our upright. That's our T, that's our 3-inch pipe, so yeah, let's just start. We already dug this cap out, so we need to cut it off and start connecting our pipe. So yeah, let's do it. Alright, we didn't get very much done. We have to go do something else with the excavator. But hopefully we'll be able to backfill this with the excavator before we have to take it back. But we'll see. So, I guess I'll see you guys when we come back. We might use the backhoe, though I'm not sure. Yes, I'll see you guys when we come back down. Alright, we're back out here. We don't have the excavator anymore, but we dropped it off yesterday. And it's been a day since we had it, and we're gonna just start gluing this pipe. We have our first upright in here, so let's just continue laying pipe this way. And then the backhoe's out of order right now. I'm fixing it right now. I'm making a video on that, and I am working on fixing that. And so once we get all this pipe glued in, we'll need it to backfill this ditch and make the ditch a little bit longer. So yeah, let's just glue all this together, and then I guess I'll see you guys when we get the backhoe fixed. Alright, so we got it all the way to here. We have extra pipe. We're gonna have to dig the ditch longer. So once I get the backhoe fixed, we'll come do that, finish that. We're gonna go finish that hydrant. It's over there a ways. So it's a fire hydrant that we're putting in so that if there was ever a wildfire up here, engines could fuel up. So yeah, let's go over there. Alright, I did forget to film this, but we have a hydrant in here now. Completely forgot. It's about 2 hours later. I don't know how I forgot that entire time. I just remembered. And yeah, we put rocks behind it. It'll look all nice, pretty. And then in here we put a valve. So yeah. Anyways, I think I'll see you guys when we come back out here again. Not sure when we'll finish that, but when the backhoe's fixed. So I'll see you guys then. Alright, so it's been a little while, but I'm on top of the dam here, and we're working on filling this up so you could get the irrigation running, but it wasn't filling up all the way, and we figured out why. Right here, there is a crack in our pipe, so we have to dig it up. We have a 22.5, and yeah, we gotta dig it up, clean up that pipe a little bit, and then we can finally go down. My dad got sprinklers and hoses and hooked it on those valves that we put in, and then we'll start irrigating. It's not buried yet because the back is not fixed, but we can still irrigate it. So let's fix this. Okay, it's the next day. We let that dry overnight, and we actually this morning put this on to hold this from sliding out. And you can see that it's kind of like a mechanism that we kind of made up. And I'm gonna fill this up with water. My dad's going down to open the valve, and then I have to turn this water, fill this all up with water. That valve is off. Fill this all up with water. So when he calls me, I will turn it on, and then we'll go down there and start running sprinklers. I still haven't fixed the backhoe. We were trying that today. We were trying to finish it, but we have the wrong wiper seal, so we have to figure out what we're gonna do about that, buy a new one. And yeah, so when that's fixed, we will finish digging the ditch and burying it all. Right now, we're just gonna run one sprinkler. So yeah, let's just fill this up with water and go turn that valve on when he's ready. All right. Okay, so we've got water down here. This is very exciting. You ready?
Yeah. Turn slow.
Yep. We got plenty of pressure. Oh yeah, we got plenty of pressure. It's not spinning.
Yeah, it is. It's spinning slowly. It's spinning every hit.
Here, I'll go turn it off. Dad, it's leaking like several places right here. Yeah, out of where the valve is. Channel locks.
Channel locks are in my door.
That thing puts out a lot of water. That's crazy.
Yeah, I don't know what size of hole it is. Half inch.
It shoots like 100 feet.
Yeah, it's half-inch nozzle. You can get bigger nozzles.
Why do we want a bigger nozzle? Perfect. We'll probably shoot all the way to the road from right here. Or most of the way.
It's weird. So feel that how loose that is. And it seals though. There must be a.
There's a flap in there.
Must flap close around it. This might not be an easy.
I think I knocked it down there.
Got it? It's crazy.
So now I'll just shoot all the gunk out?
Yeah. Just wonder how much gunk is in there.
Oh, there's the lot. Oh, I can't get it.
Yeah, it probably just finally made its way down the. Here we go. Turn it on. Just check that out.
Okay, I'm gonna pause it. Okay. Let's try the hydrant here. Here, can I turn it on?
It's against the wind.
Yeah, it hardly goes anywhere when it's going against the wind. Other way. Ooh. Hold it, Lukey. Keep turning it on. That's a lot of water.
Is it all around?
Yeah. Wait, I want to do it. I want to do it.
Oh, it has this in there. What is that? I'm just gonna watch the sprinkler get bigger. You can't.
Hey, that was mean.
Look how much the sprinkler just went up. Oh my gosh, you're gonna wash away the road.
Yay. Sprinkler's going good. Now let's go run the other sprinkler. What are you doing?
Watering the gravel.
You making a creek?
Yeah, it's pretty good pressure.
Yeah, it is. How much pressure do you think that is?
Probably about 70, 70 psi.
70 psi. That's a lot.
Lukey, we go to that end of the hose.
Look at that sprinkler.
Walk, lift it up over your shoulder and walk this way, and we'll drain the water over here to help this gravel settle.
All right, it's about a week and a half later, and the backhoe is fixed. And we had a few leaks on the irrigation line. Oh, it was leaking. It shouldn't be leaking. I'll have to tighten that later when I get back. But, yeah, the irrigation line, I did not film it. It had a few leaks, and we couldn't figure out some pressure stuff, so. But anyways, we got it all done. It works now, and so we need to finish digging this ditch the rest of the way, and we need to bury it, and then that should be the end of this video. But anyways, let's do that. So we need to bury this entire ditch and finish this ditch here. Put this pipe in and bury it. So let's do it. Alright, it's the next day. We got the siphon running, and yeah, there's a few breaks in the line that we had to fix. Then we learned we had a water lock. I just didn't have enough time to film it. But I actually broke this off yesterday. That's why it took us long to get these running. But they're all running now. Basically, my plan is just swap them, or my plan at least when I was doing it, just swap them over back and forth. And then down there is a sprinkler that gets the rest. That way down there, that corner sprinkler. But yeah, so that's it for this video. This is all I wanted for this video. Anyways, yeah. Anyways, I'm tired. Sun's setting in the horizon. I'm going to bed here soon. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Not sure what the next video will be. Alright, see you.